Okay guys, I'm gonna show you another video. Since the beginning, when we get to the job, I'm gonna show you the old carpet, how it was before we started, and at the end. So let me show you what we got right here. Hello. So this is what we got. Okay guys, so what we do right when we start in the job, we measure one of the rooms and we put all the furniture from all the rooms to this room. So like right here, we are filling up this room with a lot of stuff from the other bedrooms. So all these furniture gonna go to the other room, so that way we empty these rooms, including that one, which is the big one. And then we're gonna start with all these 3 bedrooms. Okay guys, rooms are empty, completely empty. There is the way it has to be like that. Empty, empty, around, empty, and full. Sorry, so I moved too fast the camera. You see guys, it's the way we do. Don't get panic. Sometimes the customers get panic when they get up and they see a bunch of stuff in one room. They scare. We took some pictures before we moved everything, so we know what piece go in what room. Next step is to cut the carpet. That's the way they should be done, guys. So I'm gonna give you a little tip how to cut the carpet and how not to cut the carpet. So do not do this way. This is the way that you're gonna do. Pull the carpet off and cut the carpet, because if you cut with a knife all the way down, sometimes there's some wires across the room. If it's telephone wires, you could cut the wires off, and then you're gonna have to patch or put back together. I don't know, maybe buy a new wire. So do not cut just like that straight on top of the carpet. So you can just lift the carpet and then cut, lift the carpet and cut Okay guys, so let me show you this padding. This padding is a junk. You might have this padding. I don't know, who knows. You see this one? I'm not sure how old is this carpet, but look at what's under this padding. Sand, a lot of sand. You see that? So in all the house on the second floor is like that. Yes, this is a kind of pad. So we're gonna clean out really good. We're gonna separate all this and clean really good. So and then we're gonna put the new padding. Okay guys, right here as you can see is everything done. We already put the carpet down and we're done with those 3 bedrooms and the big room. You can see the carpet is brand new. It's nice, it's clean. This is the bedroom that when I show you where when I left the old padding was sand on it. Okay guys, so watch out right here. This is part of the video. At the beginning of the video I shared with you guys some video of the old carpet, what was on these stairs, and how was the carpet on the second floor as same as the stairs. So there is the job completely done, and you say walk you up so you can see what a big difference. It was a big spot on it in this room. All this was really dirty. Some spills on the carpet and all that stuff. Okay guys, finally after 100 years now it takes us all day to be done with this job. Pretty much three bedrooms upstairs, the big bonnet room up there, the stairs. Takes it forever guys, but it looks beautiful. It's definitely changed. It's a lot different, big different. It's like a new house, like a new second floor. So anyway guys, I'm gonna put the info of this carpet in the description down below. If you guys like this carpet, this is splash carpet, little brown with light on the carpet, brown and light colors. So I want to put this info down below. Subscribe to the channel, comments, and thank you guys. See you in the next.